Hey everyone. So I normally don't do solo videos, but I was pretty excited today, and maybe a lot of you have seen this, maybe they haven't, but a little background. Every like 2 years, we do a phone upgrade. So Joe Bell gets one like last year, and this year. It was my turn. I was going to hold off another year and try and get the most out of my S10, but it started having some screen problems and the screen got cracked on the corner. So I said, all right, I will order the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G from Samsung because we are a Samsung Android family. We don't go with Apple primarily because they lock you in with all their products. So Androids, to me, you got a little bit more flexibility, and I like the screen better on the Samsung. And I have a Samsung TV, and I have a Samsung laptop, so it made sense. Anyway, so it came today, so I was gonna open it up, take a look at it, and I figured I would share it with you. And I peeled off the backing. It was delivered today. Let's see what we got. Okay. There it is. End of the video. No. So, got some wrappings on the front and on the back, and kind of the one thing that I was excited about. I think there's some downsides to the phone, but there's a couple of good things too. Since we do a lot of videos and a lot of photographs, the new camera that the S21 has, I'm kind of excited to try that out. But the one downside, I believe, is that it does not have room for an external memory. I think it's only got the one slot, which is really a downside because I keep a lot of movies and a lot of music, which doesn't take up space, but the good movies do. And when you've got a good screen like the Samsung, you want the high quality movies on your phone. So it's powering on, which is good. So welcome. Okay, so let's start this here. Welcome, English. Do we want United Kingdom? No. United States English. Start. Okay, few legal items you gotta go through. Let's go through that. I've read all. I sign away everything to you. Oh, Wi-Fi. Gotta connect to our Wi-Fi. Yeah. Connecting. Connected. Your phone needs to restart. Okay. Restarting. So let's look at what else is in the box in the meantime. Now this year, Samsung started to get cheap, and we've seen this with some of the other phones, primarily Apple, where they don't include a charger any longer, no cords, no earphones. As a matter of fact, I don't think there's a slot any longer. They finally went the same way as Apple to save space or save money, and they removed the earphone plug. So you need to use the USB-C port with an adapter, or you need to use something like the earbuds. Well, I'm not going to set up all of the phone at this point, but again, the camera's pretty cool. We got one other thing, which is one of the cool parts of this. I don't know if they're going to be doing the Samsung Note, because now you have I can't open it. You have the second thing that I ordered. There it is, which is the case, which you should always get because the phones cost a fortune, and stylus pen. I don't know if I'll use it, but the good thing about this case is it does hold the stylus pen, so it doesn't come with the stylus pen, but you have to order it separately, and at least you get the case with it. So Looks like it kind of wedges in there. We'll see if that gets lost. Ta-da! We will protect our phone. Protect the investment. There you go. The case. Stylus pen included in the side. Looks like you can pop it out fairly easily. Pop, pop. Get in there. Maybe it is this part. Not easy to get in.
I try.
Just do
The
what?
pointed is under.
Oh, the pointing goes down?
Yeah.
Duh. Okay, so apparently the stylus must be pointed down. And look at how nice it goes in. Thanks to my beautiful wife for that little tip. Okay, well, I'm going to maybe pause and I will install some stuff and then I can show you how good the screen looks. So there's a couple other things we should say. One, it actually does come with a cable. It's a C to a C, USB-C to USB-C. I think the point is to be able to connect your other device to be able to transfer the files. You don't need it, you can do it over Wi-Fi, but obviously it'll be a little quicker, cable to cable. Now my old phone had 1 terabyte of internal. This only has 500 internal to only select the items that I want to copy over, and I'll leave the other stuff on the phone and back it up. I'm not going to bring over photos and videos, but that should be pretty quick. Again, it doesn't have room for the internal storage, which the other phone I had 256. I had a 256 in there, which gave me 1.25 terabyte. Now I'm down to 500 gigabytes, which is still a lot of data, but I'll back up my photos and some of the other videos that I had on the other phone instead of moving them over. One other thing, it's probably pretty difficult to see what this is. Looks like 2 little, I don't know if it's the tip of the pen. It may be extra tips for the stylus pen that they do give you. So maybe I can take those out so you can see it a little bit better. I don't know. I'm guessing that is like a claw to grab the handle. I don't know. I don't read instructions too often, so if you know what this is, maybe you could let me know in the comments. I'm guessing it's some kind of claw to extract the other point from the stylus, maybe, and use to insert this one. But I don't know. I'll look in the instructions. But it does come with this cool thing. I'm gonna set up the phone, move over a couple of things, and maybe we'll take a quick look at the screen. Okay, so it is all set up. It was actually really easy to set up. Just select what you wanted to copy over to the new phone. Again, 1 terabyte of internal memory plus 256 megabyte on the secondary card. No secondary card here, only 500 half a terabyte of memory storage on the new phone. So that's the one downside. I guess you can always hook in something down at the bottom if needed. I'm going to try and limit the amount of stuff that I store on the phone, basically to just the movies that I want, and when I get a lot of photos or a lot of videos, I'll back it up and take it off the phone. And I think they want you to use their Samsung or Google storage, sure, and pay for a service so that you have a lot of storage online. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Seems good. I'll let you know after a week of using it what I think. I played around with the camera a little bit. It was pretty cool. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the little notification button because we're doing a lot more YouTube stuff now. So thank you. Bye-bye.